I think we've got an email question that kind of starts out the show. What do we got tonight? Let's go to that. 2 weeks ago, my daughter was hit by a driver who crossed over the center line, totaled our vehicle, and then fled the scene. My daughter woke up with neck and back pain and is being treated. She's only 19. I was contacted by the driver's insurance company and told that if my daughter wants to make a claim, she can do so, and no lawyer will be needed. Would that be a fair settlement? Do I need a lawyer? Mary. Let's see, is that the right one? Yes. Do you need a lawyer, Mary? And guess what? My answer is yes. You're going to need a lawyer because sometimes there's various and different types of insurance that will be available. Sometimes when there's two vehicles that are involved, or a pedestrian and a vehicle, there can still be as many as 9 different types of insurance that's available. And you go, well, wait a minute, hold on, Larry. It's an automobile accident case. How can there be 9 different types of insurance? Well, automobile insurance coverages and health insurance coverages all kind of get melded and mixed in together. And if you're not careful, you can accidentally waive a form of coverage, and once you sign a release or you do something and you think that you've reached a settlement, then another insurance company is going to come in and ask for their subrogation rights to be executed. And guess what? They're going to look to Mary or Mary's daughter. Mary's daughter's 19, so she's an adult, but you're going to, an insurance company is likely to come back, quote, after the fact, after a settlement, and say, hey, you need to pay us money back. And the next thing you know, Mary's daughter is left with no money. So you need to hire an attorney in the personal injury field who understands personal injury, not only understands personal injury, but understands the different types of insurance that might be available, so that you are not accidentally taken advantage of and become a victim a second time. One of our greatest examples of this is a case that happened now 11 years ago, actually 12 years ago. And the insurance company in this particular situation, very similar to Mary's case, oh, you don't need a lawyer, you don't need a lawyer, you don't need a lawyer, here, take the money, take our money. And had they done so, they would have waived the rights to nearly $1 million worth of coverage in other types of insurance that were available. So even though an insurance company may be making an offer, it is good to sit down and talk with an attorney. A lot of attorneys like us will talk with you if an offer's already been made on the table, to go ahead and give you the best advice and kind of give you the best direction to go after you fully understand and appreciate whether or not to accept that particular offer. So I hope that answers your question, Mary. And of course, if you're welcome, if you want to, you can call our office this week. We'll be happy to consult with you further on it and get some more details.